Brought to you by DK Audio.
DK Audio presents The Bacteria Book, written by Steve Mould and read by Colin Mace. Introduction. Looking into a microscope is like peering into an alien world, one full of peculiar, pulsating creatures that act and move in strange ways. These mysterious microbes are absolutely everywhere, around you, on you, and inside you. We live in harmony with some of them, and we're at war with the rest. Some of the creatures you'll find in this audiobook are gross and terrifying, while others are simply amazing. Get ready to discover the bacteria that makes you fart, the mite that lives in your eyelashes, and the fungus that turns ants into zombies. The world of the very small is endlessly fascinating, and I've packed this audiobook full of my favorite bits. Enjoy. Steve Mould. What is a microbe? A microorganism or microbe is any living creature that is so small you can't see it with your eyes. The most common microbe is bacteria, which first appeared on Earth more than 3.6 billion years ago. Smaller than rice. Just how small are these creatures? Zoom in 3,000 times on a single grain of rice, and you might start to see lots of little bacteria. Viruses, another type of microbe, are smaller still. 1 grain of rice is about 6 millimeters, or 0.25 of an inch long. There could be as many as 1 trillion species of microbe on Earth. Are microbes really alive? Although they are tiny, yes. Scientists don't agree on what makes something alive, but all living things seem to share certain features, such as the ability to move and to grow. Viruses only have some of these features, however, so some people think they aren't alive. If you were a microbe. If you were shrunk down to the size of bacteria, a grain of rice would seem bigger than a mountain. That's how small microbes are. Can you imagine it? Meet the microbes. Say hello to the smallest critters on Earth. Here are 6 of the most common types of microbe. These creatures are everywhere you look, even though you usually can't see them. Bacteria. Bacteria are made of just 1 cell each, and they are the simplest cells on the planet. There are more bacteria on Earth than any other form of life. Viruses. Viruses are the smallest microbes. They are so small they live inside the cells of other creatures. Many scientists say viruses may not even be alive, since they don't eat or grow. Algae. Many algae are made of 1 cell each, but they are usually bigger than bacteria. Like plants, algae use a green chemical called chlorophyll to turn sunlight into useful energy. Fungi. Fungi, such as mold, break down dead plants and animals to use as food. A fungus can be made of 1 cell or of lots of cells. Protozoa. Protozoa are made of only 1 cell. These creatures behave a bit like animals. They move around and eat other living things. Archaea. Archaea look a lot like bacteria, but they behave in different ways. They can survive in extreme environments, such as very hot places or strong acids. Seeing is believing. Microbes are creatures we can't see with just our eyes. So how do we know they...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?